Hey everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 28. Today we're doing a Pilates HIIT routine. We're gonna target the abs and the booty. Lay down on your back. We're gonna do 2 rounds of these exercises. We're gonna alternate ab and a glute exercise. We're gonna start with abs. 50 reps of the first exercise. We are doing scissors, twisting scissors. 50 reps and off we go. Make sure you're exhaling on each twist. Elbow to the opposite knee. Lower back pressed against the mat. Breathe and let's go. Woohoo! Nicely done. 50 done. Okay, so now we're doing a single leg bridge lift with a hop. 10 reps each leg. So you press through the heel and you go for a hop, for a little jump. Keep the other leg straight. Use it as a momentum to help you lift your hips off the ground. Switch legs. Keep pressing, keep lifting, keep jumping, keep hoping. Okay, nicely done. Back to the ab exercise. Now we're gonna do again twists, but this time we're gonna keep the legs bended. So opposite elbow and knee meet with exhale, and again 50 reps. And rest. Nicely done. Back to another glute exercise. So we're gonna do bridge lifts, pushing, then heel lift, drop and lower down. Hold at the top. When you do the heel lift, when you lift on your tippy toes, hold for a second, then lower, then drop the hips as well. Keep breathing. Lift on your tippy toes, lower them, drop your hips down. Just keep breathing. And nicely done. Another ab exercise. This time we're gonna lower the legs one at a time, keeping the lower back pressed against the mat, alternating the legs. Lower lift, lower lift. You can support yourself with your hands a little bit underneath your glutes. Almost there. and rest. Okay, take a moment, and now butterfly bridge lifts. Okay, soles of your feet together and squeeze your booty at the top. Keep squeezing. Nicely done. Okay, now diagonal crunches. Place your ankle on top of the knee, on the opposite knee, and crunch to the side. We're going to be doing 25 reps each side. Let's go, let's go. Okay, staying on the same side, glute bridge lift, single leg glute bridge lifts in this figure 4 position. Doing only 10 reps each leg. And now switching legs. And 25 diagonal crunches. Okay, and the last 10 figure 4 bridge lifts. Okay, amazing. Hug your knees. And now ready to start from the top. 50 reps of scissors with straight legs. Keep breathing, exhale on each twist. 50 reps, we've got this. And now ready for the next one. The single leg bridge with a jump, with a hop. Use the left leg for momentum to push you up. Amazing. Keep going. Only 10 reps each leg. And now switch the other leg, right leg up, pushing through the left foot, jumping. And nicely done. Now, scissors with bended legs. Off we go, 50 reps. So we've got this. Okay, that was good. Time for the next one. Bridge lifts, then lift on tippy toes. So first bridge lift on tippy toes, lower your heels down and lower your hips down. Keep going. Keep squeezing the glutes at the top. And now, alternating leg raises for 50 reps. Keep lower back pressed against the mat. And nicely done. Butterfly bridge lift. Soles of your feet together. Push your hips up and squeeze the glutes. Diagonal crunches, 25 reps, followed by 10 reps of figure 4 glute bridge lifts. Okay, bridge lifts, figure 4, 10 reps only. And now switch sides, diagonal crunches, 25. And last 10 of the figure 4 bridge lifts. Okay, everyone, that was it. Hug your knees, take your time. That was it. Day 28, Pilates HIIT routine. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed this one. I'm gonna see you tomorrow.